I always start my morning off with a big glass of water, and today I infused it with strawberries and cucumber. I also had some green tea, which helps to wake me up in the morning. For breakfast today, I had 2 slices of whole wheat toast with some natural peanut butter and a handful of grapes. They were so delicious. So usually an hour after breakfast, I'll have a snack, and today I had a dragon fruit. I love dragon fruit because they're so delicious. They remind me of kiwi, but a lot more mild, and they're so good for you, filled with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They're so yummy. So today for lunch I had tacos, and Jim used the turkey that I had made yesterday, but I used kidney beans for my protein and base. I also put some romaine lettuce and corn. I put some mild salsa. Some banana peppers. Some chopped up avocado, and then I doused it in hot sauce. Oh yeah! I wrapped all this deliciousness up in a whole wheat tortilla and enjoyed. So good. So for my afternoon snack, I cut up an orange, which was super sweet. I also made myself a cup of tea, but this time it was an herbal vanilla tea, and I also refilled my water. So now it's time for my workout. Every day is different, but today I did the gym, 30 minutes of dumbbell exercises and 30 minutes on the Stairmaster. So now it's time for dinner, and I made the most amazing kale salad. I put some mushrooms, some chopped tomatoes, broccoli, shredded carrots, celery, and some green onion. I also dressed the salad with some avocado oil, balsamic vinegar, and sea salt. I also had a humongous baked sweet potato. Jim sprinkled some cinnamon and brown sugar on his, and he loved it, but I'm more into savory foods, so I sprinkled some sea salt on mine, and it was delicious.